Content lock allows you to lock any part of a document with a password. This will hide only certain content from users who have access to that structure, and they will have to request a password to access the locked content. This feature can also be used when sharing content where a user, both internal and external, must enter a password to access that section. You can either lock an entire document, or you can mark what you specifically want to lock in the document and set a password for that part only.